Hey there! If you're watching this video series, then you're probably an educator or student looking to leverage the 3D Experience platform right in the classroom. My name is Gian.
And my name is John, and we'll be your hosts through this tour of the 3D Experience platform. This platform is filled to the brim with tools for design, collaboration, project management, and much more.
So much more. So together, we'll dive into different classroom use cases of a bunch of different tools on the 3D Experience platform. We'll start just by setting up the classroom projects and spaces where students can find and share information and interact with each other.
So this series will not go that much into the design apps. For training in XDesign and Xshape, visit mysolidworks.com or the 3ds Learning Space. But before we jump into classroom-specific use cases, let's just cover the basics of the 3D Experience platform in this next video.